To remove objects from a photo on Realme Note 70T, first of all, we need to go to the Photos app. I'm gonna open this purple one. There we go. Go ahead and find the photo that you wish to customize, that you wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and we're gonna press Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now we have AI Eraser, so we can select it, press Agree and Continue, and then OK. And then you should be able to find, for example, the Smart Lasso. So let's see if it's gonna work. We're gonna select the subject that we want to remove. There we go, it is selected. It's still recognizing. So let's give it a few seconds. And it is now being removed. And there we go, here we have our results. And unfortunately we have some stuff left. So we're gonna try to select the area again. And let's see if we can actually get rid of that as well. So unfortunately, you might need to keep fixing until you get satisfying results. Let's see if we can paint over. And we're gonna check if we can do something with it. Perhaps this will work a little bit better. And yeah, I would say it looks much better now. Alright, so we're gonna press done over here in the bottom right corner and then save. And in my case, I want to keep the original photo, so I'm gonna just press save copy. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.